If this is the first time joining us, wherever you're going from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is for 10 points.
Hello, folks. Thomas, can you please control your background?
I need first
Your background there, please. Hello. Hi, folks. Welcome to the third game of the day. This is a continuation of the quarterfinal games of the Science Baseball.
Please speak in the mic. Is a kind of low, please.
Okay, no problem. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's not procrastinate time here. Let's move on. Patmelia, please go ahead and give us your intro.
Thank you for giving me the time to introduce myself. Firstly, I would like to recognize the presence of my coach, Kamai Mbala. I'm student Noah Estupa. For today's match, there's me El Nino. And I'll submit.
Thank you. CMFI, please give us your intro.
Thank you for the time giving us to introduce ourselves. I brought with me one, Brennus Carringis. Is the name Irving Speak USA. I pause. Is the name Irving Speak USA.
Thomas, please go ahead, intro. Thomas, you have there's another stuff in the background that is causing audio, please. Yes, you're fine. Thomas, please go ahead, Thomas. We got to speed up.
So, folks, we are all welcome to this game. We want to say, still, folks, we have two schools again, CMFI from Montserrado and Patmelia Academy from Montserrado. My name is Thomas Tita Jr. and one of the organizers and moderators on this platform.
All right. Willie D. Bedell is my name. Would like to test a boozer. CMFI, please test a boozer. CMFI, a boozer.
It's not. No, okay, we're not hearing you. Are you guys hearing me?
Thomas,
Yeah.
can you hear me now? Okay.
Yeah, we are hearing now.
Please check for question number one. Question number one. Thomas, please control your background if you may. Question number one. A kind of evolution that occurs when organisms that are not closely related evolve similar features or behavior, often such as solution to the same problem. This is referred to as what?
Yeah, you got him.
A kind of evolution that occurs when organisms that are not closely related
that are now closely related become related or have the same appearance based on the adaptation of their surrounding or environment can be referred to as well.
What is the answer?
Divergent evolution.
The question goes to you, CMFI. A kind of evolution that occurs when organisms that aren't closely related evolve similar features or behavior, often as a solution to the same problems, is referred to as what?
Take convergent evolution.
Take 10 points. Question number two. Question number two. A solution remaining after crystals are removed from... Complete.
A solution that remains after a given amount of product have been received from the reaction, or is a remains or a solution that remains after a given amount of product have been obtained from the reaction is referred to as well.
Take -5. Patmelia. A solution remaining after crystals are removed from a crystallized solution is called what?
Fetch, I'm not getting you.
A solution remaining after crystals are removed from a crystallized solution is called what?
Yes. My answer is nothing about decrystallization.
Wrong. The answer is model liquor. Model liquor. Model liquor. And the question is going to be number 3. The process of destruction that occurs when a particle and an antiparticle interact. Complete.
Yes, when a particle and an antiparticle combine or collide to produce a particular order can be referred to as
What is the answer?
annihilation.
Annihilation. Take 10. Thomas, over to you.
So, folks, this is a wonderful game. If you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this game again. The score is 10 points to Patmelia and 5 points to CMFI. Imagine the 5 points in favor of Patmelia. So, folks, without much time to waste, we move on to the next 3 questions. We jump directly into question number 4. The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. Question number 4, and I read. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah.
The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. The law that states that the concentration of a solution is directly proportional to its light absorbance is referred to as what?
So a light absorbent can be referred to as what?
And what is your answer?
The Bell-Savart law.
Come again?
The Bell-Savart law.
Too much, you can ask him to spell if you're not sure.
Spell.
The answer is capital B-R-O-T.
You're wrong. Your question. The law that states that the concentration of a solution is directly proportional to its light absorbance. It's referred to as what?
Pierre law.
The Beer law. The Beer law is precise for 10 points. 10 points.
Yeah, law.
The question is question number 5. And I read for both schools. Question number 5. Closed loops of induced current.
Closed loop of induced current set up in a piece of metal when there's a radial motion between the metal and magnetic field is referred to as what?
It's referred to as what?
Eddy current.
Eddy current. Eddy current is precise for 10 points. 30 points. The question is question number 6, first half. And I read for both schools. Depositing large number of
large number of gametes in the same place at the same time is referred to as what? It's a
In the
deposition of
same
large
place,
number.
at the same time, is referred to as what?
Sporing.
Scoring is precise for 10 points, 10 points.
Thomas, please give me a split second. Please hold on to the game. Give me a split second.
So, folks, want to say you are highly welcome. If this is your first time joining us, this is a wonderful game. We refer to this game as the Twins Battle. As the two wonderful schools are playing. We have both schools here from Montserrado County. We have CMFR and Patmelia. So we have student Noah representing the Patmelia, and we have student Nixon and Code representing the CMFR. So, folks, if you are joining for the first time, stay with us. The
Maybe
score
very
is
square.
the score is 35 points to CMFR and 10 points to
35 or 25?
yeah, 35, 35. The
Okay.
score is 35 points to CMFR and 10 points to Pamedia. 35 to CMFR and 10 points to Pamedia. Four questions has been answered by student Nexi and one question answered by student Noah. So folks, stay with us as we continue on this game. We have three more questions to climax the first half, and we have 9 questions for the second half. So, folks, stay with us as we read the remaining 3 questions for the second half. Once again, the score is 35 points to CMFR and 10 points to Pamedia. Both schools are from Montserrado County.
All right. Guess the next question. The question is going to be number 7. Questions number 7. Before the theory of relativity, scientists believed that there was a medium that carried light waves.
Or before the theory of relativity was popularized by Albert Einstein, scientists believed that there was a particular medium through which light may travel. So what is the first medium called?
As a force medium call, you see,
False. False medium.
Answer.
What is the answer?
Atom.
Eto, Tete.
You see, you know, you know.
See, you know. See, you know. And this is the score is 20 to Patmelia and 35 to CMFI. The question is going to be number 8. Pen to paper. Pen to paper. Pen to paper. Pen to paper. A balloon has a volume of 1.2 liter inside a room. Please speak. Don't interrupt me. Pay attention. Don't interrupt me.
If
A
everyone, please be
balloon.
a little bit audible. Or you
A,
speak to the
bal-
back.
a balloon has a volume of 1.2 liters inside a room where the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. What is the volume of this balloon when it is taken outdoor on a very cool day where the temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius? I come again. A balloon has a volume of 1.2 liters inside a room where the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. What is the volume of this balloon when it is taken outside on a very cold day where the temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius? 1 minute. Chief, can you please mute your mic, please? Okay, you got 20 seconds. 20 seconds. You got 15 seconds.
Yes.
Yeah, answer.
Answer is
One.
2. Ready?
Answer.
Answer is
1,
2.1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2.12. Our answer is
Wrong. Patmelia, do you have answer for me? A balloon of 1.2.
Yeah, read my question, Virgin.
A balloon of 1.2 liters inside a room where the temperature
Virgin,
is
I'm getting it for long. Virgin.
1. If volume of 1.2 liters inside a room where the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. What is the volume of the balloon when it is taken outside on a very cold day where the temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius? 10 seconds. 1, 2. Answer.
Answer is 0.6 liter, Virgin.
Answer is 1.0, 1.04 or 1.0. The volume will be 1.0. And your formula is P1V1 is equal to T2V2. All right. So before I read the last question, I'd like to recognize the presence of some senior veterans who are watching this game, most especially Honorable Phil Dixon, a senior veteran of senior big brother, and honorable man there in the Republic of Liberia. Hats off to you and thanks for supporting the students here. The question is number 9. The question is number 9. The question is number 9. Please pay attention. Question is number 9. A large triangular bone at the base of the spine that connects the spine with the pelvis or the hip bone is referred to as what?
It's referred to as what?
My answer.
Take a sacrum.
Sacrum. Take 10. Thomas Tapper, over to you for the second half.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome again to this wonderful encounter. The score is 45 points to CMFI and 20 points to Patmelia. We have a margin of 25 points here. So we move on directly to the second half. Second half, starting with question number 1. The question is question number 1, second half. We have 9 more questions to climax this unique game. The question is question number 1, second half. In a river bowl schools, what is a scientific name of grasshopper? Your answer?
Orisa sativa.
Your questions are Patmelia. What is the scientific name of grasshopper?
Yes, Virgin.
Your answer?
My answer is Datira.
Califera would have been precise. Califera would have been precise. The question is question number 2, second half. And I read for both schools. Question number 2. The series of manipulation required to isolate and purify the desired product or products of a chemical reaction is referred to as what?
Is called what?
The answer.
They work up.
Work up. Work up is precise for 10 points. 10 points for work up. The question is question number 3. Second half is a pen to paper question, and I read for both schools. Pen to paper question. The question is question number 3. And I read, determine the empirical formula for this compound, C12H4Cl4O2. I read again. Determine the empirical formula of this compound, C12H4Cl4O2. Read for the last time. C12. What is the answer?
Yes, my answer is C6H2ClO.
ClO. You are wrong. 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 Your question. Determine the empirical formula for this compound, C12H4Cl4O2. C12H4Cl4O2. Simple mistake, you out. Yeah, you have 10 seconds. 2, 3,
Yes, Adrian.
5, 6.
My answer is nothing else but C H. I come again, Adrian. The answer is nothing else but C4H.
You are wrong. Seems to be like you don't. You are wrong. You are wrong. You don't understand empirical formula. That's why you are only taking this time. Or just a simple mistake you need to correct. The correct and precise answer is C6H2Cl2O. C6H2Cl2O.
Adrian, I have a point.
What is the one?
Yeah, when we're
Don't
discussing
waste our time.
empirical
Yeah,
formula,
what is
we're not
empirical
discussing
formula
a
for?
particular number, and then we're discussing the ratio of the atom in a compound. So, and we observe C appears twice here, so we get you have to reduce
The
them.
least ratio, the release ratio divided by everything. Don't waste our time. The least ratio that is 2. 2 divided by everything, and you will get C6H2Cl2O.
All right.
That was question
number 3.
What's that, question number 3?
Yeah. Question. Thomas, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. You
All right.
have to be audible for them.
No problem. We'll move on to question number 4. Question number 4, pen and paper. Question number 4, pen and paper. Question number 4, pen and paper. You are provided a 10 micro Fahrenheit capacitor. You are provided a 10 micro Fahrenheit capacitor to store 120 micro current on this capacitor. What voltage should you buy?
Become again, bro.
You are provided a capacitor with a value of 10 micro Fahrenheit or 10 micro F to store 120 micro coulomb of current on this capacitor. What voltage battery should you buy? Yes? The answer?
Yes. My answer is nothing else but 1,200 vote.
Wrong, 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 wrong. You are provided with a 10 microfaraday capacitor to store 120 microcurrent on this capacitor. What voltage battery should you buy? You got 20 seconds. Yes, yes, yeah, answer, answer, answer.
Yes. Take your answer. Take 0.00001 vote.
You're wrong. The answer will be 12 vote. 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 Thomas, give him a second there. The answer will be 12 vote. The question is going to be number 5. The question is going to be number 5. The question is going to be number 5. Please test a boozer. Please test a boozer. The question is number 5. An approach to biologically classify organisms based on their most recent ancestor or ancestry. Yes?
Both is referred to as a
The answer.
yeah, man, so a common descent.
I won't take common descent. An approach used in biological classification in which organisms are characterized based on their most common ancestor or ancestry. It's called what?
Take common name.
It's called the cladistic approach. Cladistic approach. Cladistic approach. And the question is going to be number 6, second half. Chlorine combined with oxygen to form compounds such as perchlorate, monochlorine trioxide, and chlorine dioxide or chloride. This is an example of anion or polyions or polyatomic ions that contains element of oxygen. I come again. This is an example of an ion or polyatomic ions that contains element oxygen. How do we refer to such?
How are they called?
How are they called?
Oxy-ion.
Oxy-ion. Take 10 points.
Yaga.
Yeah, in the mail.
The question is going to be number 6. The question is going to be number 6. The question is going. That was question number 6, Thomas. Can you please take it from there? Question is number 7 now. That's question number 6.
Yes, please change your score as I'm move on. So, folks, if you are just joining us, the score is 65 points to CMFI, 20 points to Patmelia. The margin remain 45 points in favor of CMFI. This question number 7, second half, and I read for both schools. A disease caused by a serious vitamin C deficiency. Which is
Patmelia.
Caused by
Patmelia.
serious vitamin C deficiency that causes scars on the gum and so much at times can be referred to as well. Or
What is
caused
the
by
answer?
lack of scurvy.
Scurvy. Scurvy is precise for 10 points. 10 points for scurvy. The question is question number 8. And I read, for both schools. I am a scientist. I was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1935 for a discovery of neutrons.
For the discovery of neutron, who is a neutrally charged particle forming the nucleus of an atom. So, what is my name?
And what is your name?
Jane C. Chadwick.
Jane C. Chawe is precise for 10 points. Jane Chawe is precise for 10 points. 13 points. The question is question number last. It's the pen to paper question. Solving problem. Question number last. And I read for both schools. What is the equivalent resistance of these resistors that are connected in parallel? I read again. What is the equivalent resistance of these resistors that are connected in parallel? And the resistors are 6, 12, 36, 18, and 36. I read again. 6, 12, 36, 18, and 36. I read for the last time. 6, 12, 36, 18, and 36. There are 5 resistors. You have a minute.
Patmelia?
What is the answer?
Yeah, Fedrin. My answer is nothing else but 22 ohm.
You are wrong. You are wrong. CMFI. You have 10 seconds. The question is.
Decimal. Decimal point.
You are wrong. CMFI. The question. And I read. What is the equivalent resistors of connected in parallel for this circuit? And the resistors are 6, 12, 36, 18, and 36. Let me see. Let me verify this quick. Okay.
You find a reciprocal, you already need divide.
You have 10 seconds.
Yeah, I'll need divide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer.
Yes, President. I'm aware of. Yes, take 105 resistor.
You are wrong. The correct precise answer is 3 ohms. The correct precise answer is 3 ohms.
Fedrin.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fedrin, you know, when resistors are connected in parallel, first you have to find the reciprocal then and then express it all what the total number of resistors, the number, not the amount. So you give up 5 resistors, right? 5 resistors, and said they were 6, 12, 36, 18, and 36. So when you sum them out, you have 108 all over 5. So my answer 100% correct.
6, 8.
Give us a second. He's checking something. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're counter checking one of the answers here. Why we wait Thomas? Please note that there's one more game to be played to end the quarterfinal. We have Parish of West Africa from Montserrado County versus Jimmy Jericon from Montserrado County, and that game is going to be in a split second after we shut down this transmission. Thomas Sabek, back to you.
Two, so, six, three, two, yeah, you are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong. So it's the formula is 1/r, and that is the 1/. You are not connecting series, you are connecting parallel, so it's 1/rn is equal to 1/r1 plus 1/r2, and so on. So the correct and precise answer is 3 ohms. If you do the calculation from there, you will note you will notice that the common the LCD for A will be like 36.
1/r1,
So that's how we come to the end of this game. The score is the score is 65 points to CMFI and 40 points to Patmelia.
All right. So both students there, all of the students are in studio. We say thanks to you for coming. And Patmelia, keep up the good work. Keep up your study. You don't study for us. You study for yourself. You study for your own future, and you know where you are going with your skill set. Okay. And the same applies to you too. So Patmelia, give us 15 seconds feedback.
Yeah, actually, I would like to extend my gratitude to the whole of school profile Liberia, and this game was a tremendous one, and I would like to appreciate every moderators who have been contributing and continue to contribute to this particular platform. And I would also love to encourage other scholars out there to come and take the challenge. No one should feel like discouraged. The game is a game. When it beats you, you go home and study more. It doesn't mean that you don't know anything. So I appreciate School Profile, and I appreciate you guys very much.
Thank you. We appreciate the words of encouragement to your fellow students too. CMFI, you don't have much to say. 15 seconds. Then we go into the next thing. CMFI.
Thank you very much. I want to extend my thanks and gratitude as my brother just did to the school brother bro once again. I'm very grateful to you guys for the courage. Even going far out of Africa, you still remember us because we are studying and we need to benefit and we need to encounter one another. So thank you for the courage. Yeah.
All right. Good work, and keep up the good work, and keep up your studies. We'll see you in the semi-final, which is going to be held tomorrow. Thank you. So, folks, thanks for following us. Please stay with us as we join the next studio for the next game of the day. That will be C. Jimmy Jolofan.